Connecting AirPods Pro to an Android phone is actually very straightforward, even though AirPods are designed mainly for Apple devices. The process only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you can use your earbuds for music, videos, and phone calls just like any other Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your Android phone has Bluetooth turned on. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Bluetooth icon and tap it if it's off. For easier access, you can also long press the Bluetooth icon, which will take you directly into the full Bluetooth settings page. From there, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and your phone is actively scanning for nearby devices. Next, prepare your AirPods Pro for pairing, place them inside their charging case and open the lid. On the back of the case, press and hold the small setup button until the light on the front starts blinking white. This blinking light indicates that your AirPods are now in pairing mode and ready to connect to a new device. Now look at your Android phone's Bluetooth screen under Available Devices or Pair New Device. After a few seconds, you should see your AirPods Pro appear in the list. Tap on their name to begin the connection process. If your phone asks for confirmation, simply select Pair or OK to approve it. Once the pairing is successful, your AirPods Pro will be connected and ready to use. You can test them by playing a song or video to make sure the audio is coming through the earbuds. From this point onward, they should automatically reconnect whenever Bluetooth is turned on and the AirPods are in range. That's all it takes. Even though some Apple features like Siri or battery pop-ups won't fully work on Android, you still get high-quality sound, smooth wireless listening, and reliable call performance.